It's Christmas!
It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
The light is low, the days are short, and this is the time of the year where atmosphere really matters. Snow changes how buildings read, winter light flattens forms, and Christmas decorations can either add warmth or completely ruin the space. So today I wanted to try something slightly different. I'm testing Nano Banana by using it to create winter and Christmas atmosphere on architectural images. Exteriors in the cold, interiors in the warm, and everything between. Not abstract scenes, not fantasy cabins, but real architecture and real spaces dressed for winter. So I'll be creating 3 exteriors and 3 interiors today. And you know these images well, because I'm using images previously created with my Architect AI, Render AI, and VizMaker. Also, I wanted to see whether Nano Banana can understand winter light, handle snow and seasonal conditions, and add Christmas atmosphere without overpowering the architecture. So, let's get started. Let's start outside, where winter is far less forgiving. For the first exterior, I'll be using render generated previously with my Architect AI. And I'm starting with a classic winter test. Imagine an elevation with the snow on the ground, light sun, and Christmas decorations everywhere. This is the kind of image where AI often panic. Kevin! Snow turns into white noise, windows glow like nuclear reactor, and trees suddenly forgot what season they are in. So I'm asking Nano Banana a simple question. Can it create winter atmosphere without breaking a building? So let's get into Nano Banana with Google AI Studio. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of options to choose from, but today I'll be using Nano Banana, which is free, not Nano Banana Pro, as this is a paid model. Obviously Nano Banana Pro is much better than Nano Banana. But today I'm doing something that every of you can repeat with Nano Banana free model. And if you want to test it properly, I recommend trying it through Render AI, My Architect AI, or VizMaker. Because in these platforms, you can compare Nano Banana Pro with different AI engines, not just use this one. So let's choose Nano Banana. I'm uploading our first exterior image, I'm putting our prompt, and all the prompts will be available in the pinned comment down below. And let's generate our first image. That's an interesting one. Snow reads as settled, not sprayed on. And the winter light stays low and soft. It's good. Christmas decorations feel restrained rather than cartoonish. Materials still behave like real materials in the cold light. And the building remains the main character, not the snow. I'm happy with that image, so now check the comparison. This is the original image and this is the one with Nano Banana. But what's interesting here that the atmosphere changes, but the building doesn't. Can Nano Banana repeat the winter logic without reinventing the project halfway through? For the second exterior, I'm using the image generated in the VizMaker. So this will be a completely different building, different atmosphere and the time of the day. So this is where Christmas lighting often goes wrong. Too bright, too warm, or too shopping center. Let's upload our second image. I'm keeping the same prompt and let's see the results. That's amazing. Christmas lights feel warm without overpowering the facade. And snow reflects light realistically, not evenly. Shadows stay long and directional, proper winter behavior, and the windows glow gently, not aggressively. But an obvious thing that didn't get adjusted properly is the background and the trees. So let's try again. I will slightly rewrite the prompt without that amount of the leaves and looking appropriately for that winter season. So now let's see our new results. That's great. And the image feels calm, not festive chaos. Now see the comparison before and after. It's clearly the same project, just placed properly in the winter. Imagine Christmas Boxing Day morning, light snowfall, and Christmas tree visible through the glazing. For the third exterior, I'm pushing it slightly further. I'll be using more complex building and image previously generated with Render AI. This is where AI often lose control. Pushing contrast, reflections and glow far beyond what's believable. So here, I'm really looking for balance. Let's upload our third exterior. I'm putting the same prompt and let's see the results. Well, that's overdone. That's way too much of the decorations, way too much of the ornaments, and I don't really like it. So now I would like to upgrade that image, and for that I will describe in the prompt to remove all these Christmas trees and presents outside the property. Also, I would like to remove the green ornaments around the roof, and I would like to introduce some Christmas lights around the balustrade on the first floor. Okay, that's much better. It introduced the Christmas lights instead of the green ornaments, that's good, but the Christmas trees outside haven't been changed. So let's upgrade our image one more time. This time in the prompt I will describe specifically which Christmas trees I would like to get removed. And let's see the result. Okay, that's what I wanted. Now we can analyze that image properly. So the snow feels atmospheric, not static. Interior warmth contrasts nicely with the cold exterior. The reflections stay controlled, it's okay. And now the Christmas tree reads clearly but doesn't dominate. And the building still feels real, not staged. Now see the comparison. Original image versus the processed version. What you will see that nothing new is invented, just the building presented with the new light and winter conditions. Before we carry on with the interiors, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe, comment and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow. Let's go inside now, where Christmas really matters. For the first interior, I'm starting with the main living space, previously rendered with Render AI. Christmas tree, soft lighting and chilly winter outside. This isn't really about the decoration, it's about atmosphere. Can a Nano Banana create warmth without turning everything orange?
Nobody knows the game better than I do.
So let's upload our first interior image, let's put in our prompt. And as before, all the prompts will be available in the pinned comment down below. And let's see the results. Okay, it's not bad, but could be better. I don't particularly like the green ornaments here. Although I like here that the Christmas tree adds glow without stealing the focus. Materials still stay soft and not over sharpened. Shadows remain gentle, and the lighting feels layered and calm. So now let's upgrade our image. I would like to generate some Christmas lights in the place of the green ornaments. Right, that didn't work, didn't do anything, so let's try again. I will slightly rewrite the prompt. Well, definitely Nano Banana is not as good as Nano Banana Pro. Right, we've got the result and it's quite good. You can really feel the atmosphere here. Well, there is something else I would like to upgrade here. It feels quite empty now, and I would like to add a bunch of presents. We've got the final result, and it seems to be really good. Although a little bit it feels staged, not lived in. But it's okay, I accept that. Here is the original image, and now see the polished version with Nano Banana. It feels seasonal without becoming decorative clutter. Winter daylight is difficult. It's flat, cold and unforgiving, so it's perfect for testing restraint. For the second interior, I'm testing bedroom generated with my Architect AI. Let's upload our image. I'm keeping almost the same prompt, I'm just rewriting that slightly for the position of the Christmas tree. And let's see what results we can get. Wow, that's impressive. The daylight feels cold but realistic. Decorations stay subtle, snow outside reads naturally through the windows, and colors don't shift unexpectedly. And this room feels usable, not staged. This will be our final image. Now see the comparison before and after. The Christmas elements support the space rather than taking it over. The final interior brings everything together. One open plan space, generated with VizMaker. Bedroom, bathroom, walk-in wardrobe, and the view outside, fully dressed for Christmas. This is usually where AI overdoes the contrast and glow. So as before, you know the drill, let's upload our final image. I'm keeping similar prompt, I'm just slightly rewriting that for the position of the Christmas tree, and let's generate. Okay, Christmas dominated the space here. But I kinda like it. The warm and cold tones balance nicely, Christmas lighting feels intentional, and there is no strange distortions. Materials stay consistent across the spaces, and the atmosphere feels cozy, not artificial. But I know what's lacking here. Santa Claus outside the window. So let's quickly update that image. That's the proper result. It's perfect.
And I love his full red sock.
Have you been a good boy? I know you have. Come on, Santa's got a surprise.
So let's see our final before and after. It's a bit overdone, but I'm happy with how it looks. So that was Nano Banana at Christmas. What I like here is restraint. It doesn't completely redesign your project, and it doesn't turn architecture into decoration. It adds winter atmosphere, Christmas warmth, and seasonal mood, while still respecting the building. And if you want to try Nano Banana Pro, which is way better than Nano Banana, I recommend testing it through Render AI, My Architect AI, or VizMaker. All three let you compare multiple AI engines in one place, which matters far more than committing to a single model blindly. And I've got discount codes for you for all three platforms. So if you're looking for a last-minute Christmas present for yourself, or for another architect or designer, this is a good place to start. All the codes are also available in the description if you want to have a look. And now you will have more time to test them properly over the Christmas break.
What you want? What you want for Christmas?
I was thinking maybe one of those old-timey...
Too late. Take too long. Sad Christmas. What you want?
Fire truck!
What color?
Red!
Next!
And if you want to see what these tools can really do, watch my other videos on Render AI or My Architect AI, where I created a full set of different images and animations across multiple projects. They are right here, so choose wisely which one you will watch next. So thanks for watching, Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next one.
Take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.